How's everyone doing?
Awesome.
Good. My name is Alex. I'm a software engineer, and I'm also a nature lover. And there's this quote by Marjorie Stoneman Douglas. She said, "There's no other Everglades. It's one of the most unique places on Earth. No place like it." And Project EverTrack is going to be used to preserve that. A little bit about myself. I did graduate from Florida State with an exercise science degree into pre-med. I was a radiology assistant for a few years. I became an operations specialist for a federal contractor. I worked with the Department of Homeland Security, U.S. Naval Hospitals, the U.S. Army, actually in Europe and Cuba. That was pretty cool. And the United States. Yeah. And so someone told me, it was a little stressful, so someone told me to unplug and to de-stress, check out the Everglades. And I did. And it was like the best decision ever. I check out the sunsets, the animals, everything. Like the ecology, the biology. So I grew to love it. It was my happy place. And I did notice there were problems over the years. One is encroachment. Homes being built closer and closer to the Everglades. People going on trails, seeing wild animals, bringing their kids and their pets. Pollution, overfishing.
Wait, the wild animals are bringing their kids?
No, I'm sorry. Well, the parents are. Parents bringing their children and their pets and wild animals, I've seen it. Human pollution, overfishing, chemical dumping. And a new problem, well, fairly new, is invasive species. We've seen the iguanas, boa constrictors, everything, exotic species. So that's a problem, and I want to, help the Everglades. So my solution was to make an application a dynamic one where officials could send data and store it, and the public at the same time can have access to this data. So we want to educate everybody, but we want to have a database for the officials, government officials, to track and store data over the years. We want to make it easily accessible, intuitive for the public, and we want to reduce growing issues that were mentioned. So let me show you how it's done. Let's demo it. So this is the home page, little carousel. Welcome to EverTrack. So this is the activity page, little conditional rendering going on. And here we have a little database going on, submission forms. So if I was a park ranger, I would submit the time and the date. So right now it's 9/14/2022. It's 15:34. I like military time. Coordinates 26 degrees north. Yep. 81 degrees west. Let's say we see a large alligator. Large alligator. That's right.
It's not a large one.
Those are the candidates for Boca Cola?
Yeah, it is large for cover.
Yeah. So I'm gonna click, and it just went through, and it's going to update right here. Oh, well, actually, let me do that again. My bad. 9/13. I'm just gonna add another one really quick. 26 degrees.
Another flag.
Yeah.
Another side.
81 degrees north. Degrees west. This is north. Animal. Large alligator. Another one. Yeah. So that's right. Submit. Refresh. And there it is. Large alligator scene. 26 degrees north. So back to the demo. So my tech stack was MongoDB, I used it because it handles complex queries and I want to use more data eventually. Node Express is my RESTful API. I deployed on Firebase. My front end was React, single page application, deployed on Firebase. For future work, I want to use more of a secure login, visual map features, a mobile app version with geolocation. That's really what I really want to do, mobile, and more ADA compliant. Thank you. You can reach me at my email, and that barcode is my GitHub, my LinkedIn, and my Boca Code candidate page.
Nice.
Thanks so much.